Hello and welcome to a new project, the Internet of Things house, the second version. This time we integrated the BLYNK application, and that will enable us to control everything that we had before already, with some extras now over Wi-Fi. So let me demonstrate what we have here. So we have some access control. So we can see here that we need to present our badge. So for example, I will open the application, if you can see it here. So if I use a card that is not programmed into the system, then it will give an alarm. And you will see that those three LEDs will start blinking, and I will get a notification also on my smartphone. See? So now you see the message as well. All right. And now we can have several badges that are allowed to access. So the first one, for example, says welcome Vero, and also you get a message that Vero has just entered the house. Okay, let's do it again. So now the same thing, but now you can see that Koen has entered the house. Okay, see, there is a notification. Another thing that we can do is control it using the BLYNK app. So for example, now the door is closed, and if I press this one, you can open the door as well. Open and close it like that. Another thing that we have here is a central heating system. So that's the second part. You can see here on the display that we can set temperature, and you can also see the current temperature. Now you can see the LED here, that the LED is green. That means that the set temperature is in between the thresholds. So no heaters, so the heater is not turned on and the cooling is not working as well. So that's an ideal temperature. For example, we can control it using those push buttons. So and now we can see that the red LED is turned on. That means that the heater is working now. The other way around, if I keep pressing down, so I want a lower temperature in this case, so you can see that the blue LED turns on and the fan starts turning around. Okay, so now that's pretty cool, but now we can also do that with the BLYNK application. So here we can see that. So for example, I can set a temperature. So that's the temperature, the current temperature we can see here, and this is the temperature that we want. So now we want, for example, let's say 26 degrees, something like that. Then the heater will turn on. You will see also the red LED will turn on, and also in the application. If we go the other way, then you will see that the fan will turn on, and also the blue LED, and the fan will turn on as well. So that's the second part. Now another safety measure is a gas detector. So for example, if I use a lighter and I simulate, if I simulate butane gas, then you will see that here the limitation is 2000. So if I simulate that, you will see it will get higher and higher, and when the limitation of 2000 is breached, then we also get an alarm that gas was detected. So that is what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for your attention, and see you for the next video.